Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Galaxy A32 5G of Samsung. Okay, let's start first with removing the label. So this is the package, by the way, here. So with the sticker of the A32. And yeah, so let's remove at first the labels here at the side. So let's open the labels. So, check. Okay, now let's have a look. Okay, first of all, we have the mini box here for the instructions. Yeah, so quick start guides and a warranty card, I guess, yes. And let's have a look now here at the phone. So I have the phone in blue, by the way. So this is how it looks like. So it's the blue version. So just the back and the sides are in blue and the front will be always black because of the screen. And then what we have else here in the box, so we have the charging adapter. We have the charging cable, so USB Type-C, by the way, in case you need a second one. So USB Type-C. And we have the pin to remove the SIM cards. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video. This was a very quick unboxing. So we have no headset included. We have no protection film included for the display. So we have no case included like maybe on other like other manufacturers are doing. So this is just the basic stuff. Yeah, this is how Samsung is doing that. But yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I created also some other videos. I'm sorry. You can see them here right at the corner if you want to have a look for, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Ciao.